Okay, let's do that again.
No, it's fine.
I was laughing the whole time.
What's wrong with laughing? Laughing just means you're happy.
Hello. Welcome to Eden's Fun Crochet. I'm Eden, and this is Tyler, my husband. And today we are doing a yarn unboxing. Gonna open
Let's
the box.
go right in, I guess, yeah. If I can open it, that'd be
Might
cool.
help if you use the blade part of the knife.
No, I don't know what you're talking about. Look, boom, easy.
Wait.
You have a lot of paper.
Okay. Wow, look at this!
Yay!
Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, we'll start with the boring stuff, because it's on top. Okay, so this is all from Hobby Lobby, because they had, everything was on sale. So I bought a bunch of stuff. Shall we start with the rainbow?
Sure.
So we have one of this. What's the color?
Where does it say?
Red.
It's just red. Nice.
It's worsted weight. How many yards? 355 yards.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's all the same kind of yarn. It's all I Love This yarn
It
by
does
Hobby
look like
Lobby.
nice yarn. And it's soft.
Nice yarn. It's much better than Walmart yarn. But it is slightly more expensive. That's why I wait for it to go on sale.
That's fair.
This one is also 355 yards. Worsted weight, 100% acrylic. Where's the name? Burnt Pumpkin.
Nice.
I feel like it looks much brighter on the screen.
Yeah, maybe.
I feel like it's darker in real life.
Probably the window.
Okay. What's the next color?
This is kind of like yellow, and this is more like yellow.
Okay,
So
we'll
one
do
of those
yellow.
two.
This one is also 355 yards.
It's yellow.
And it's yellow. Oh, we're so washed out. Maybe scoot over.
We just need better equipment. Ah,
Yeah, one day.
I found some
One day
scissors.
we can afford it. Okay, green.
Not if we keep buying lots of yarn. Just kidding. Got it. Keep going. This one is green.
No, it's not. It's ocean.
Okay, cool.
It's kind of like a bluish green.
Yeah, it's almost a minty color, but not really at the same time.
This one is also 355 yards. And it's peacock. Look, this one's on a sticker.
Ooh,
Instead of on the thing.
weird.
Wow. It's a little squished.
It's fine.
What's after blue? Purple!
I don't know. You skipped green completely, so I have no
This
idea.
is green.
It's, I mean, true, but
This was the green.
it's fine.
You even said it was green. Amethyst.
Ooh, your birthstone.
But amethysts are white and purple. So
Yeah.
they should make a variegated one called amethyst.
That would be pretty cool.
With like white or an ombre from like white to purple. That would be cool.
That would
like
be
a
cool.
white to like a really dark purple like this one. That would be cool.
That would be pretty sweet.
And then we have one of these, which is called purple.
Yay!
There's another purple one in here.
Yeah.
It's not called purple. It's called Hot Orchid.
That makes sense.
Yes, I got 3 different shades of purple.
Yeah, I mean, you never know. You need
Actually,
lots of
4
shades.
different shades.
Ooh, what's this one?
Orchid.
Oh,
Hot orchid.
normal
Orchid.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, look, another purple one.
What's this one?
Mixed berry.
Ooh.
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 It is also
Purple.
355 yards. Okay, pink is in the rainbow, right?
Sure.
This one's probably also a hot rose.
Mm.
This one is actually 365 yards.
No.
Yeah, it's not. It's 355. Okay.
Red again.
Red again.
What's this one? Fine red. Ooh. Ooh. We'll get there in a second.
Fire red. Isn't that picture cute?
Those are cute.
That's cute. I want to be like that with my future children. Matching purses, and then one for the doll.
Nice.
This isn't really orange or yellow, but we'll call it orange and yellow. Sun gold.
It's like it's kind of like a yellow. It's like a sunflower yellow.
Yeah, it's a little bit more
Brown.
dusty.
Yeah, but it's not. Yeah.
Green. Did I get 2 of these? Oh, I did get 2 of these because it's your favorite color.
Yeah. Fair enough.
So I wanted to make you something, so I bought 2. Its color is forest. It's a little bit more blue than I thought.
That's fine.
Might just be the lighting in here,
It
though.
probably is just the lighting in here. Different lighting.
Okay, this one is called Jelly Bean, but it looks more of a Christmas green to me.
I don't know of any jelly beans this color.
Starburst jelly beans. The green ones are definitely that color.
They're a little darker than this.
Mm.
Next.
Light sage.
Ooh.
Also 355 yards.
This is the color that I wore for prom.
Fancy. It's also the color that I have in that project.
Ooh.
But I have like 7 colors in that project, so.
That's true.
And some of them are from Hobby Lobby. You can see because it says I love this yarn on it. This one is
Royal blue.
royal. It doesn't say blue, it just says royal.
It's royal blue.
No, it's royal. That is the name of the yarn.
Okay. I'm getting outvoted here.
I voted.
Sure.
My vote counts for more than one.
Sure.
Soft blue. See, this one says blue. So this is blue.
The other one's
soft
fake.
blue. You're fake.
Ah. Rude.
Gray. Gray mist? As one word. Sounds like amethyst, but gray mist.
Gray mist. It's like blue mist, but gray mist.
Okay, another pink one. This one is...
Tropical pink. Yeah.
It's like the color of our hair before it faded.
That's true. It's like the color of my hair right now. This one.
Oh, this one. Kinda. No, your hair's still more yellow than
It's fine.
this. This one is... Guess what it's called?
Pink.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's also rose pink, but I didn't buy that one because I already have 3 pinks now.
You already have hot rose.
See, I have 3 pink. I don't need one lighter than this one. At that point, I just have white. Turquoise!
Turquoise.
Okay, now to the fun part. Don't worry about it.
It's fine.
I'm gonna open this.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Okay. This one is... Ooh. Feel it.
Whoa. That's not what I was expecting. Not quite, anyway.
It's only 2-ply.
Interesting.
That is really cool. It's a 2-ply with 2 different colors, so when you like, it's just 2 different colors. That's the 2-ply. That's cool. Okay, let's see. Purple Multi is the name of it, even though there's not really that much purple in it. 60% acrylic, 40% polyester. And it is
198 yards.
198 yards. But it doesn't say what size yarn it is. Four. It's a size 4. Worsted weight. Okay, so I got 3 of these. And that's just so pretty. I love how it has like the 2 colors held together. Like, that just makes me really happy. So I got 3 of those. Where is the opening?
Are these ones all the same?
Yeah. There's the opening. See?
Yeah.
I made it.
Good job.
Okay, this is also I love this yarn. Because apparently I love this yarn. Thanks for laughing at that. It's appreciated. It's called Instant Classic. It doesn't look as vibrant as it did on the screen when I ordered it. The yellow is more orange and more vibrant. A little disappointing, but it's still really cool. Might not use it, but it's okay. I bought 12 of these. I needed 6 for a project, and then I wanted some just cause I didn't look at that. Look at that rainbow. Isn't that beautiful? It's a beautiful rainbow.
You're a beautiful rainbow.
Well, I mean...
Oh, hey, I found the opening. This one has an opening, but this one doesn't.
This one had an opening because I opened it on the
Yeah.
opening. This one I couldn't find the opening. But yeah, I bought 12 of these. So here's 3 more. And 3 more. And 3 more.
That's it.
That's it.
But wait, that's it.
Does it tell me how much money I saved? It doesn't. It just tells me how much each one cost. But I think, if I remember correctly, I saved like $50-something. Closer to 60, I think. So yeah. The sale is over now. But
but buy yarn on sale.
That's the message of this video. What's this?
Kendra.
That's not my name. Oh, Kendra picked and packed your order with pride.
Wow.
That's adorable.
Look at that.
Anyway, you might be wondering
Keep going.
why my yarn shelf is empty. And if you're a returning viewer, why it is black. Well, this one is just black. It's a different
that answers
shelf.
both of those questions.
I recently got married and moved, and now this is my new yarn area. No longer in my bedroom. And I have a new shelf, and this one is black instead of white. But one of the boards is missing, so it's a 6x5 instead of a 6x6. But it's fine.
You can't even tell on the camera.
Yeah. See, look. Ready?
Okay,
boom. Now they can tell.
Very good. Awesome.
Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Subscribe.